Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, see you again in Civics or PKN Team 7 Subteam 2 ya. Hari ini kita akan belajar PKN tema 7 subtema 2. Okay, are you ready? Okay, now let's get started. For ICP, open page 37 up to 41 and bilingual page 38 up to 42. So, our activities today are the first, read the text. Kita akan membaca teks. And then the second one, answer the questions. Menjawab pertanyaan. And then the third one, color the rules of taking care of animals. And then the fourth one, write how to take care of animals. And then the fifth one, find the correct answer. Yeah? Okay, now let's start it. The first is read the text. So for ICP open page 37 and bilingual open page 38. Kita akan membaca teks bersama-sama. Okay, the title is Lani's Pet, ya, peliharaan Lani. Lani has some chickens. Lani memelihara beberapa ekor ayam. There are roosters and hens. Ada ayam jantan dan ada ayam yang betina. Lani makes their coop. Lani membuatkan kandang untuk ayamnya. Every morning and afternoon, Lani feed the chickens. Setiap pagi dan sore, Lani memberinya makan dan minum. Ya, jadi Lani also gives them water to drink, ya. Tidak lupa diberikan minum juga. And then Lani's chickens are healthy and fat. Ayam Lani sehat dan gemuk-gemuk semuanya. And then every Sunday morning, Lani cleans the coop. Setiap minggu pagi, Lani membersihkan kandangnya. Lani's chickens breed quickly. Ayam Lani berkembang biak dengan cepat. Lani likes to keep chickens as pets because of its benefits. Lani suka memelihara ayam karena banyak sekali manfaatnya. If she sells the chickens, she will get money. Jika dijual ayamnya, dia akan mendapatkan uang, menghasilkan uang. And then she can also eat the chickens and eggs. Ya, jadi bisa dimakan juga daging dan juga telurnya. Nah, itu adalah manfaat memelihara ayam menurut Lani. Okay, now the second activity, answer the questions. Yuk kita menjawab pertanyaannya. For ICP, open page 38 and bilingual open page 39. Okay, what are the rules of keeping a pet? Apa saja sih aturan atau cara memelihara hewan? Nah, sekarang coba Miss Farah will give you some clues and you may complete the missing letters, ya. Tadi sudah disebutkan di teks tentang Lani, ya, bagaimana Lani merawat, ya, how to take care of the chickens, ya. Nah, sekarang kalian bisa masukkan ke sini bagaimana sih cara memelihara hewan yang baik dan benar. Okay, the first, blah blah blah, the pets. Nah, and then the second one, give them blah blah blah. Biar tidak haus harus diberi apa, ya. And then the third one, clean the blah blah blah. Apa yang harus dibersihkan secara rutin. Nah, okay. Now let's continue to the next activity. Okay, find out the rules of taking care of animals. Menemukan aturan cara merawat hewan. Okay, for ICP, open page 39 and bilingual open page 40. Okay, everyone, color the correct rules. Nah, warnai aturan yang tepat. Okay, what color means you can use any color you want, ya. Kalian bisa gunakan warna apa saja yang kalian sukai. Okay, now put your hands in an animal cage. Memasukkan tangan ke dalam kandang hewan. Okay, is it yes or no? If it's yes, just color, ya. Kalian warnai. And then buy tickets for entering the zoo. Membeli tiket sebelum masuk kebun binatang. And then don't disturb animals. Tidak boleh mengganggu hewan. Litter the park. Mengotori taman. Nah, ya, if yes, just color. If no, don't color it, ya. And then expel the animals. Melempari binatang, ya, mungkin dengan sampah, tisu, botol, atau lain sebagainya. Nah, how do you think? Yes or no? Don't feed the animals. Tidak memberi makan hewan. And then don't damage the plants. Tidak merusak tanaman, ya, jadi dijaga dengan baik. And then put the trash in its place. Membuang sampah di tempatnya, di tempat sampah. Okay, ya. Once again, if do you think it's yes or no? Ya, if yes, just color it. But if no, don't color. Ya, just keep it. Okay, so now the next activity. Write the rules at zoo. Menulis aturan di kebun binatang. For ICP, open page 40 and bilingual, open page 41. Okay, write down the rules that zoo visitors must abide by. Tuliskan peraturan yang harus dipatuhi oleh pengunjung kebun binatang. Okay, now here I have 3 numbers and please think kira-kira apa sih yang boleh dilakukan dan yang tidak boleh dilakukan, ya. Okay, you may take the example from the previous activity. Boleh mengambil dari aktivitas yang sebelumnya yang sudah kalian warnai and please you write here. Ya, boleh ditulis di nomor 1, 2, dan 3. Or you may write another answer. Boleh menulis jawaban yang lainnya juga, ya. Okay, now the next activity, everyone. This is the last activity. Okay, choose the correct answer. Memilih jawaban yang tepat. So for ICP, open page 41 and bilingual, open page 42. Okay, activity 1. Ya, number 1, we must blah 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 the rules. Tata tertib itu harus kita apakan? Disobey, langgar, forget, lupakan, or obey, patuhi. Okay, and then the second questions. Before entering the zoo, we must buy. Sebelum masuk ke kebun binatang, kita harus membeli apa? Toy, mainan, tiket, or tiket, cap, atau topi. Okay, choose the answer. The third question, in the zoo we mustn't the animals that are sleeping. Saat berada di kebun binatang kita tidak boleh bla 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 hewan tidur. A, hug, memeluk. B, see, melihat, or disturb, mengganggu. Okay, now the fourth one, put blah 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 in the trash bin to keep the zoo clean. Buanglah blah 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 pada tempatnya agar kebun binatang bersih. Okay, A, sampah or trash, ya. B, minuman, drink, or C, makanan, food. Okay, which one is the answer? Okay, and the last question, everyone. Don't put your blah 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 into the cage. Ya, dilarang memasukkan anggota apa ke dalam kandang hewan? A, diri or self. B, tubuh, body, or C, keluarga, family. Okay, what's the answer do you think? Okay, so before we end our meeting today, let's recall, ya, kita ingat kembali what we have learned today. How to take care of the pet or animals. Okay, did you still remember the first one? Yes, don't forget to feed the animals, ya, karena hewan itu juga butuh makan sama halnya seperti manusia. And then the second one? Yes, give them drink, ya, jangan lupa dikasih minum juga. Makan dan juga minum. And the last one, clean the cage, ya, jangan lupa untuk membersihkan kandangnya secara rutin. Okay, now that's just the example how to take care of the pets or animals. Ya, ini adalah contoh bagaimana cara merawat hewan yang baik dan benar. Okay, so everyone, thank you for today. I think that's all. So if you have questions, you may contact your teacher. Boleh tanyakan kepada gurunya. And we will see you in the next meeting ya. Kita akan ketemu lagi di pertemuan yang akan datang. See you next meeting. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.